If you want to learn more about earning passive income through crypto, then stick around, because in this video we will go over ARK Finance and the OWNR Wallet, and I will teach you how to do that. First, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video. But before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for ARK Finance, DeFi or the OWNR Wallet will be down in the description. So first we'll talk about ARKFi, which is a new project with a lot of potential. First of all, here you can see, and again all the links will be down in the description like I just said, but arkfi.io. Here you can see their website. You also have the decentralized application. They have some amazing products we are going to showcase, where you can also get some passive income, and don't worry, we will talk about that. And here you can see the company site, so you can learn more about the products which they have, like the ARK Vault, the Foundation and Legacy NFT collection, with a lot of great benefits. You can see their white paper, the pre-sale of the ARK token, the team, but also how to contact them. All very important things, so I would definitely recommend you to check that out. So first of all, I think it's good to talk about the real value which ARKFi has, because it has that real value, and that lays in their products. So first of all, they have the ARK Vault, which functions like a high yield certificate of deposits, rewarding up to 2% daily in the ARK tokens. And ARK is paired with BUSD stablecoins to detach it from the rest of the crypto market and minimize the effect of macroeconomic volatility, all of which can be seen in the decentralized application, which we will access in a moment. But apart from that, they also have the ARK Foundation, which acts more like kind of a savings account, paying a high yield in BUSD with the added utility of qualifying passive income for ARK Vault referral reward levels. So foundation rewards are not created by inflation and come from a 10% tax paid on deposits on withdrawal. So you don't have to be afraid of massive inflation in the ARK token. And as I said earlier, they also have the legacy NFTs, which I think is actually very exciting. They are the ownership protocol of the ARKFi ecosystem, providing immediate benefits in the ARK Vault and long-term earning opportunities from other ARKFi products. An exclusive reward pool pays legacy NFTs holders a variable dividend that is fed by the platform fee. So again, no inflation, and also generated by the revenue streams from the ARK treasury investments. So those are in short their main products. You can also go to their white paper, as you can see right here. You can learn more about the products, but you can also learn some more about the ARK tokenomics, which I think actually do look amazing. Here you can also learn about the transfer tax and more of the total token distribution. But something I think is very good and something I would definitely recommend you to check that out. And again, you can find this all out at their website. All the links will be down in the description, and just click the white paper. But something I think is amazing and definitely something to check out is first of all the roadmap, but also a quick start guide, because this actually allows you to connect with the decentralized application, which we will get into. Don't worry about that. But that they actually show you how to use that and how to get started with using it, and get started with all of its products, like the referral system they have, where you can actually earn 5%, which is massive, on all the deposits from other investors you refer to the ARK Vault using your referral link. And by earning referral rewards and making frequent deposits, your net deposit value will remain positive longer, maintaining the 2% daily rewards as well. So here you can also take a quick look at the decentralized application, which you can easily access by going to the website and clicking tab right here, which I have already accessed it. Here you can see the pre-sale, which we will talk about very shortly, but you can also buy crypto, use their swap functions, check out the ARK Vault, the syndicate, the foundation, and those legacy NFTs, all of the products we just talked about. So there's also a public pre-sale coming for the ARK token, which I would definitely recommend you to check out. What you also have is innovative NFTs. So pre-sale NFTs are available in limited quantities and act as a placeholder for pre-launch ARK tokens. It's not a pump and dump, because all the pre-sale ARK get automatically locked in the ARK Vault at the time of launch, and there's a phased approach. So you have 4 rounds of a pre-sale, and what that creates is a huge network effect from the 50 syndicate founders and daily AMAs. So here you can find out more about the details. Again, all the links will be down in the description. Start date November the 25th, so it has just started, and it's ending December the 2nd, so definitely be there. A lot of ARK available, a lot of NFTs available. This is the price and the price per NFT, and you can easily buy it here on the website arkfi.io/presale, but all the links will also be down in the description. So if you want to stay updated on everything around ARK and ARKFi Invest, make sure to follow them on Twitter. Again, all the links will be down in the description, but here you can find out more about the updates they will have and basically everything you need to know. So the second thing I wanted to talk about in this video, and again, all the links for this will also be down in the description, is the OWNR Wallet. So first of all, if you want to actually download this wallet, what you do is on their website. I have downloaded the OWNR Wallet on desktop, but it's also available on iOS and Android. Then once you have downloaded it, you will get this program where you can either restore a wallet or create your own new owner wallet. You click that, you have your seed phrase, which is very important that you memorize this, write this down. You have that, then go next, you have to confirm it, and then you can actually create your wallet. You have to complete the KYC, but I'm not going to show that in this video. But after that, you have your owner wallet and you can start using it right now. And they also have an affiliate program, but we'll talk about that a little bit later, again, to enable you to earn passive income. The owner wallet is a safe way to manage your cryptocurrency in one place. Keys and passwords are stored on the owner's device only and are not available to anyone, not even the developers of the owner wallet. And you can sell your cryptos with owner and receive fiat funds to your cards. And more than 60 currencies are available to choose from while selling cryptos, and there's a single verification for buying and selling. Apart from that, they also have an affiliate program which allows you to enroll with the CPA system or just recommend owner wallet to your friends and receive a lifetime passive income of up to 38% of the company's net profit. Apart from that, you can also follow them on Twitter @OwnerWallet to make sure you stay updated on all the updates around it and all the great features they have. Alright, so with that, we have reached the end of this video. And once more, I want to remind you that all the links will be down in the description for ArcFi, but also for the owner wallet. So for now, if you found this helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.